Alright, you guys, MJJC just sent me their Foam Cannon Pro. Let's take a look. So you got some, I guess, instructions, little comment card type of thing there. Got some different fittings to put on there. Let's open it up, huh? Feels solid. I'll tell you that right now. Alright, so it looks like the foam cannon, foam nozzle, you got your orifice, you got 3 different replacement, what do you call them, filter things, little meshes. You got the M22 adapter there, and you got the bottom, this goes to the bottom, it's got a little heavy ball here, so it should move around to the bottom of the bottle. Pretty cool. Let me put it together. And I told you it comes with one orifice already down here, and it looks like there's one installed here, so let me see. Yep, seems to be one already in there. So there's the 2, and I think I'm gonna put the one that came, this one came with it. I'm gonna put this one, looks like a smaller hole inside there, and I'm gonna roll with that. And that's all you do is just drop it in that little hole there, screw it in. Nice and easy. And you're going to grab these 2 pieces. You're going to stick this piece down here. Just make sure it's on tight. And you're just going to grab this piece. It fits right inside there. Very simple. We'll see if I need to put any Teflon tape later, but so far so good. And if you wanted to put these screens in there, I'm sure it has a screen already since this came together, but you would take this piece apart and pop these pins out, take everything apart, and it's inside here. All right. Looks like it's ready to go. It's got a dial up here, so you can adjust your water flow. More soap, more water. And then this also turns to adjust your spray pattern. And this one also adjusts too. So I'm not really sure what that does. It's got 2 adjustments here. Do you see that? Interesting. Can't wait to check this out. Okay, so first impressions, I got it all hooked up, everything hooked up nicely, perfectly to my gun. I figured out this changes the angle of the spray, and this changes the spray pattern. very cool. I'll have to try it on my car. And guys, right here, I'm just gonna show you that I barely have any soap left, and if you want to use every little ounce of soap or product, you can by turning this thing in any position. It will spray out whatever's left in that bottle because it has that little ball in the bottom. Very cool. Alright guys, so you liked the video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you press those notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. Let's talk about a couple products here and what we did. So MJJC sent me this new foam cannon, and you know, they have a lot of different foam cannons for different pressure washers and setups. I showed them my setup. They sent me this one. Very easy to put together. Nice wide mouth. It has the ball on the bottom so that when you use it, you can turn it upside down and get every last little bit of chemical that you have in here. It has two rotating knobs, so one for the wand, like the sprayer, you can turn it up and down, and then one that makes the sprayer needle nose to wide mouth. And then up here you can adjust the flow of water, so if you want a thicker foam or more water. Very, very cool, very sturdy. This is probably, after using it, my favorite foam cannon that I have so far. And I'm not really sure what the prices are on these. This was sent to me by this company, but definitely my favorite one after using it. Now I use this with two different pressure washers. I showed the gas pressure washer, which was a beast with this. I mean, the foam was thick, it was strong, and I mean, you couldn't ask for more than that. Then I used it with the electric pressure washer. Still nice, good foam and good coverage, even coverage. So couldn't go wrong with this, all right? Very, very nice product. Thank you, MJJC. Go ahead and check them out, guys. I'll leave some links below so you can check out their site there. Now the soap we used, let's start actually with we used Pro Products Willy Clean on the tires and the wheels. I diluted this about 10-to-1, sprayed it on, scrubbed them down, rinse it off. Excellent product here, guys. This is their Willy Clean. I really like this by Pro Products. And then the soap we used was McGuiar's Super Soap. So that stuff foams really good, cleans the paint real well, as you saw, and the car just looked phenomenal. I did a final deionized rinse. I didn't show that because we were in a hurry to do some other stuff on the car, but I used the On-The-Go Spotless, which just does a phenomenal job. And we did a little touch-up work, and I used these syringes, and there was a company on there that sent my buddy bought some paint from, and it's on the video. I don't remember the name of it. I already put the paint inside, but very, very cool paint setup there. And with those syringes, it was pretty spot on. So I like that technique. If you guys are doing any kind of touch up, look into those syringes and stuff like that. It's just a different way of doing it. I hope you guys liked the video. Have a good day. Stay tuned for more.